Friends, now first question says, which bank has decided to conduct development projects in Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Which bank has decided to conduct development projects in Andaman and Nicobar Islands? So here the answer is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD. NABARD has decided to launch development projects in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So under exam point of view, here we need to remember some important points regarding this question. The first one is these development projects are launched for the worth of 44 lakh. So the worth of these projects is 44 lakh. And these projects are launched under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan scheme. This project is launched under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan scheme with an aim to develop rural entrepreneurship. And NABARD also partnered with the Center of Agriculture Research Institute CARI. NABARD has also partnered with the Center of Agriculture Research Institute to carry out agriculture program for the worth of 20 lakh in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So here 3 points you need to remember. First one is the worth of this project is 44 lakh, and the project launched under which scheme? Under Atmanirbhar Abhiyan scheme. For what purpose? To aim to develop rural entrepreneurship in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And third one is NABARD has also partnered with Center of Agriculture Research Institute CARA to carry out agriculture programs for worth of 20 lakh in these islands. So when it comes to shorty part of this question, the left hand counter of Andaman Nicobar. So if this question may ask in under general awareness, so the left hand counter of Andaman Nicobar Islands, Sri Admiral D.K. Joshi. So D.K. Joshi is a Lieutenant Governor of Andaman Nicobar Islands. When it comes to NABARD, so NABARD headquarters Mumbai, and present chairperson of NABARD Harshakumar Banwala. Harshakumar Banwala. Friends, now next question says, who is or honored with US India Business Council Global Leadership Award 2020? US India Business Council USIBC Global Leadership Award 2020. So here the answer is N. Chandrasekharan and Jim Takelet. N. Chandrasekharan and Jim Takelet. They both were honored with the US India Business Council Global Leadership Award 2020. N. Chandrasekharan, he is the present chairman of Tata Group, and Jim Takelet, he is the CEO and president of Lockheed Martin Corporation. N. Chandrasekharan, he is the chairman of Tata Group, and Jim Takelet is CEO and president of Lockheed Martin Corporation. It is US based aerospace and defense company. So for that company, the company name is Lockheed Martin. He is the present CEO and president of this company. So they both were honored with the US India Business Council Global Leadership Award for the year of 2020. Friends, now next question says, Google to buy dash percentage stake in Reliance Jio platforms. Here the answer is Google to buy 7.73% stake in Reliance Industries Limited RIL's Jio platforms for the rupees of 33,737 crores. So the worth of this deal is 33,737 crores. So here the answer is Google to buy 7.73% stake in Reliance Jio platforms. So this investment will strengthen the existing efforts of Google and Jio platforms to expand the benefits of digitization across India. So this investment will strengthen the existing efforts of Google and Jio platforms to expand the benefits of digitization across India. So when it comes to strategy part of this question, the headquarters of Reliance Industries Limited, it is Mumbai, and the present MD and chairman of for this Reliance Industries Limited, Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani. When it comes to Google, the headquarters of Google, California, United States, and present CEO of Google, Sundar Pichai. Here the answer is, I will repeat once again, 7.70% stake, and the worth of this stake is in Indian rupees 33,737 crores. Friends, you can follow our channel in social platforms like Telegram, Facebook, and Instagram. These links I have provided in description section. Friends, now next question says the third G20 finance ministers and central bank governors meet was held under whose presidency? So here the answer is Saudi Arabian presidency. Finance ministers and central bank governors meet, FMCBG. So the third G20 finance ministers and central bank governors meet was conducted recently. So it was participated by our Indian finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman. So the meeting was held under presidency of Saudi Arabia via video conference. So the main purpose of this conference meet was the entities, the countries which are participated in this virtual meet, they have discussed about the global economic outlook market during this COVID pandemic situation. So they have also discussed the other priorities of G20 finance track for the year of 2020. So when it comes to static part of this question, the G20, it is an international forum for governments and central bank governors. So from now present in 20 countries are there in this G20. The present chairman of the G20, King Salman bin. The present chairman of this G20, King Salman bin Abdulaziz Ali Saud. Now next question says which bank sanctioned financial support to West Bengal state to rebuild its infrastructure damaged due to Amphan cyclone. So recently West Bengal state was huge damage due to this Amphan cyclone. So to rebuild this state infrastructure, the which bank has sanctioned this financial support? So here the answer is NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. NABARD to provide 795 crore rupees, 795 crore rupees infrastructure financial infrastructure damage due to the Amphan cyclone. NABARD is providing 795 crore rupees financial support to West Bengal state. So here the answer is West Bengal. So when it comes to static part of this question, the West Bengal CM name is Mamata Banerjee and Governor of West Bengal Jagdeep Dhankhar. Jagdeep Dhankhar. And headquarters of NABARD it is Mumbai and present chairman of NABARD G.R. Chintala. Now next question, which bank launched a campaign under corporate social responsibility CSR to distribute face masks and sanitizers all over the nation to combat COVID-19? So I will repeat question once again. Which bank has launched a campaign under corporate social responsibility CSR to distribute face masks and sanitizers all over the nation to combat this COVID-19? So the answer is Punjab National Bank, our public sector bank, Punjab National Bank, the headquarters of Punjab National Bank, New Delhi. So this PNB has launched this campaign to combat COVID-19. They are distributing face masks and sanitizers to all over the nation under the corporate social responsibility CSR. The tagline of Punjab National Bank, the name you can bank upon. The new tagline of Punjab National Bank, the name you can bank upon. The present MD and CEO of Punjab National Bank, Sri S.S. Mallikarjun Rao. Sri S.S. Mallikarjun Rao ji. The headquarters of PNB, New Delhi. Now next question says what is the name of an enterprise mobility solution launched by Ola? What is the name of an enterprise mobility solution launched by Ola? Our India's human mobility service provider. Our India's human mobility service provider company Ola. Ola has launched an Ola corporate solution. So here that enterprise mobility solution name is Ola Corporate. Ola Corporate, it is an enterprise mobility solution service. So it will roll out the entire, it will roll out the enterprise offering the customers in Australia, New Zealand and UK. So this Ola Corporate enterprise solution has garnered 10,000 corporate users when it was launched in the Indian market. So the solution, this Ola corporate solution offers a wide range of safety features to customers, customer rider, and follows hygiene sanitization and social distancing norms during this pandemic situation. So it carries out a hassle-free pick and drop facility by providing an online charge payment facility to consumer. So this Ola Corporate, it is an enterprise mobility solution service. So this solution, Ola Corporate offers a wide range of safety features to customers, rider, and follows hygiene sanitization and social distancing norms during this pandemic situation, and it carries out a hassle-free pick and drop facility by providing an online charge payment facility to consumers. So when comes to starting part of this Ola, the present CEO of Ola, his name is Bhavish Agarwal, CEO of Ola, Bhavish Agarwal, and headquarters of Ola, Bangalore. So this Ola is an human mobility service provider company. Ola, it is a India's human mobility service provider company. Now next question says, who appointed new MD and CEO of Karur Vysya Bank? So who appointed new MD and CEO of Karur Vysya Bank? Here the answer is new MD of Karur Vysya Bank name is Ramesh Babuji. So Ramesh Babuji, he is appointed as MD and CEO of Karur Vysya Bank, and he has replaced Mr. P.R. Sheshadri. He has replaced Mr. P.R. Sheshadri. So when comes to Karur Vysya Bank headquarters, it is Karur, Tamil Nadu, and tagline of Karur Vysya Bank, smart way to bank. Smart way to bank. So his name is Ramesh Babu. He is the present new MD and CEO of Karur Vysya Bank. Friends, I am providing these weekly updates from March month onwards. So any one of you missed our previous months or weeks updates on this bank and financial news, so you can reach playlist section and take weekly updates playlist. So there every week's banking and financial updates you could see. So you can pick and watch it if you are missed it. Now next question says, which company became the first Indian company hits 13 lakh crore market capitalization? MCAP, we'll call it as MCAP in short form, 13 lakh market capitalization. So which company became the first, that Indian company? So which Indian company met with this 30 lakh crore market capitalization in this year? So the answer is our Reliance Industries Limited, RIL. Recently huge investments came into Reliance Jio platform. So here the answer is Reliance Industries Limited, RIL. RIL hits 13 lakh crore market capitalization. So it has become the first Indian company to reach this level. So and it has became the 48th largest company in the world in terms of market capitalization. So in terms of market capitalization, this Reliance Industries Limited is the 48th largest company in all over the world. So when it comes to Reliance Industries Limited, the headquarters of Reliance Industries Limited, Mumbai, and present CEO of Reliance MD, then CEO of Reliance, Mukesh Ambani. So the answer is RIL. Now next question says, who chaired the committee which released the report of the committee for analysis of QR code, quick response code? So the answer is Professor Deepak B. Pathak. Deepak P. Pathak, he is an eminent professor of IIT Mumbai. So under his chairmanship, so Mr. Professor Deepak B. Pathak, the committee has suggested how to effectively take into a digital platform this quick response code. So first we will know about what is quick response code, QR code. So QR code, it is an two-dimensional barcode. So it is an two-dimensional barcode which consists of a black squares arranged in a square grid on a white background. So you might have seen while doing payments through digital, for example, if you take in Google Pay, Phone Pay, while doing payments through mobile, so most users are using this quick response code. So that we'll call it as QR code. So as I told, it is a two-dimensional barcode which consists of a black squares arranged in square grid on white background. So to read and interpret this QR code, the image devices like smartphone cameras are used. So three type of QR code payments supported in India at present. Those are Bharat QR, UPI QR, and last one is proprietary QR. So this is important question. You should keep in your mind. So there are in India three type of QR payments are supporting. So those are Bharat QR, UPI QR, and proprietary QR. So when it comes to this committee, so the committee suggested recommendations for this QR codes depending upon four main pillars. So this committee suggested how effectively utilize this QR code in near due to COVID pandemic. The payments are being done by through digital payment only, digital process only. So digital platform. So they have recommended four main pillars. So namely interoperability and scalability. And second one is innovation, and third one is security, and last one is customer education and awareness. So the committee suggested recommendations for this QR code depending upon four main pillars. So those are interoperability and scalability, innovation, security, and last one is customer education and awareness. So the Reserve Bank of India has released this report. The report name is report of the Committee for Analysis of Quick Response Code (QR code). Now, recently, which bank signed corporate agency pact with LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India, to offer insurance product to customers? I'll repeat question once again. Recently, which bank signed a corporate agency pact with Life Insurance Corporation of India (LIC) to offer insurance product to customers? So the answer is Union Bank of India. The Union Bank of India, it is a public sector bank. Union Bank of India has signed a corporate agency pact with Life Insurance Corporation of India. So the corporate agency agreed will allow Union Bank of India to distribute LIC insurance product to their customers. So this agreement comes after the amalgamation of Union Bank of India with recently this amalgamation has happened with Corporation Bank and Andhra Bank. So Union Bank of India now will offer LIC insurance products like pension plans, children plans, education plans, health insurance, and unit linked ULIPs. So like this many policies they are going to offer to their customers at Union Bank of India customer. When it comes to starting part of this question, headquarters of LIC Mumbai and present chairman of LIC M.R. Kumar, and headquarters of Mumbai for this Union Bank of India, and present MD and CEO of Union Bank of India Raj Kiran Rai ji. So Union Bank of India has signed corporate agency pact with Life Insurance Corporation of India. When it comes to this tagline of Union Bank of India, it is good people to bank with. So taglines mostly asks in GA section, that bank awareness section in every examination, that is NABARD LICN. So when comes to tagline of this UBI, good people to bank with. Friends, you can follow our channel in social platforms like Telegram, Facebook, and Instagram. These links I have provided in description section. Now next one says, which bank launched Insta Click Savings Account? So here the answer is Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda recently has launched this Insta Click Savings Account. So in exam point of view, no need of knowing about what is there, what the facilities are giving this Insta Click Savings Account. But I will give you a brief on this. So in order to access this account in real time, the users will have to use this Bank of Baroda M Connect Plus application. So the main aim behind this launching of Insta Click Savings Account is that the Bank of Baroda is working to digitize its all work by 2023. So and it become 100% paperless. So Bank of Baroda is they're making a path to make 100% paperless banking. So digitized banking. So for that they have launched this Insta Click Savings Bank account. So when it comes to starting part of this question, the Bank of Baroda headquarters Vadodara, Gujarat, and present MD of Bank of Baroda Sanjeev Chanda. And when it comes to tagline of this Bank of Baroda, India's International Bank. It is India's International Bank. Now next question says, India's first numberless payment card is launched by. I'll repeat question once again. India's first numberless payment card. So number won't be there in that card, either debit or credit card. So we'll see the answer. So answer is FAMPay and IDFC First Bank. So FAMPay, it is an startup company. So IDFC First Bank, so it is a private sector bank. Then the FAM card, this is card name is FAM card. So it is India's first numberless payment card. So it is launched by FAMPay and IDFC First Bank. So FAMPay, it is an India's first neobank for teenagers. So neobank for teenagers. So FAMPay, a neobank for teenagers. This aims to bring a cashless convenience to teens and their parents. So last week it has been launched a numberless card, FAM card. So that card name is FAM card. So it's like a debit card that teenagers can use to make payments. So FAM card, it is like a debit card that teenagers can use to make payments. So that 2019 founded this FAMPay was started by IIT Roorkee graduates. So this FAMPay card launched by whom? Launched by IIT Roorkee graduates. The graduate's name is Kush Taneja and Sambhav Jain. Kush Taneja and Sambhav Jain. So they both were launched this FAMPay. This FAMPay offers a combination of parent control and independence for teens as well. So when it comes to this FamPay company, this FamPay company startup headquarters, it is Bangalore, Karnataka, and that this card name is FAM card. So FAM card, it is India's first numberless payment card. So this first numberless payment card is launched by which company? FamPay and IDFC First Bank. So that company, that payment card name is FAM card. Now next one says, which finance organization rolled out UPI Autopay recurring payment facility? Which finance organization rolled out UPI Autopay recurring payment facility? So here the answer is National Payment Corporation (NPCA). NPCA has rolled out a feature for recurring payments. So this feature is known as UPI Autopay. This UPI Unified Payment Interface, this UPI Autopay has launched virtually at a global fintech fast event by NPCA. So with the help of this UPI application, it will enable recurring of e-mandate of recurring payments. Recurring payments means like mobile phone bills, electricity bills, etc. So it will also carry out EMI payments up to 2000, and for about 2000 EMI payments, the user will have to execute their UPI pin for every EMI transaction above 2000. So to enroll this facility, so to avail this facility, the user will have to create a e-mandate via UPI ID, QR scan or intent. So when it comes to starting part of this NPCA, National Payment Corporation of India, headquarters it is Mumbai. Present MD and CEO of NPCA, Dilip Asbe. His name is Dilip Asbe. He is MD and CEO of National Payment Corporation of India, headquarters Mumbai. So here the UPI Autopay, it is an recurring payment facility. So this feature is called as UPI Autopay. Now next question says, which mutual fund house manages the Bharat Bond Exchange Traded Fund? So here the answer is Elvis Mutual Fund. So Elvis Mutual Fund, it is managing this Bharat Bond Exchange Traded Fund. So in this question we will see some new terminologies came. So first we will try to know about these terminologies. What is a mutual fund and mutual fund house, and next one is exchange traded fund. So I will tell you brief explanation. I will give you a brief idea about this mutual fund. So when it comes to definition of mutual fund that pools money from many investors and to purchase securities. So simply we can say in layman language, a mutual fund, it is an open-ended professionally managed investment fund that pools money from many investors to purchase securities. Then what is fund house? So a fund house is a company that invests the pooled money. So as I told, mutual funds are pooling the money from investors. No, as I told, no. So that pooled money, this fund house will invest this to buy financial securities like stocks, mutual funds, equities. So a fund house is a company that invests the pooled money. So the fund house is a company that invests the pooled money of investors to buy financial securities like stocks, mutual funds, equities, etc. So these mutual fund companies also call this fund house companies also call it as asset management companies. These companies will call it as asset management companies. So when comes to this question point of view, so this Elvis Mutual Fund, it is a fund house company. So this fund it is a mutual fund company. So it is managing this Bharat Bond Exchange Traded Funds. So it is normally launched in the second series of this ETF funds, exchange traded fund. So in last year December 2019, it had launched the first series of this exchange traded fund. So with this strategy, the fund house seeks to raise around 14,000 crore from retail and institutional investors. So this fund house raising a capital of 14,000 crore rupees from retail and institutional investors. So here the answer is Elvis Mutual Fund. Now next question says, which social media platform has launched a campaign called it as Between You in India? So it's Between You in India. So that campaign name is It's Between You in India. So this campaign launched by which social media platform? So here the answer is WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, it is social messenger app. So this social media WhatsApp has launched its first brand campaign, named it as It's Between You in India. So WhatsApp has collaborated with Indian director Gauri Shinde. So Gauri Shinde along with advertising agency BBDO India, so to create two advertisements that highlight how the future of WhatsApp helps to imitate in-person conversation. So WhatsApp soon they are going to launch this
person to person conversations. So this WhatsApp has collaborated with our Indian director Sri Gauri Shinde, along with advertising agency BBDO India, so to create two advertisements that highlighted how the features of WhatsApp help to imitate in-person conversations. So the answer is WhatsApp. Okay friends, that's all about last week's current bank and financial updates. So I hope you liked it. So please don't forget to share and comment on our videos. So thanks for watching. Jai Hind.